Sports Authority of India presents Awareness on Sexual Harassment and POSH Act, Prevention of Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Act 2013, which aims at prevention, prohibition and redressal of sexual harassment. What is sexual harassment? Sexual harassment includes any one or more of the following unwelcome acts or behavior, whether directly or indirectly: physical contact and advances, a demand or request for sexual favors, showing pornography, making sexually colored remarks, any other unwelcome verbal, non-verbal or physical conduct of sexual nature. Common circumstances of sexual harassment: promise of preferential treatment, threat of detrimental treatment, threat about present or future status, creating an intimidating or offensive or hostile environment, humiliating treatment likely to affect health or safety. Common verbal behaviors of sexual harassment: raising a sexual topic during a discussion, making unwanted sexual remarks, jokes, questions or anecdotes, unwanted remarks or jokes on attire, unwelcome flirting, spreading rumors about one's personal or sexual life. Common non-verbal behaviors of sexual harassment: sending unwanted SMS, email, phone call, post, tags, giving unwelcome gifts, making derogatory facial expression or gesture, staring, gawking, stalking. Common physical behaviors of sexual harassment: unwanted deliberate touch, leaning over, pinching, unwanted patting, hugging, kissing, stroking, unwanted cornering, touch of dress, hair or body, attempt of sexual assault or rape. Common places of sexual harassment: any government or private department, organization, institution, office, hospitals, educational institutions, any sports institute, stadium, sports complex or games venue, hostels, residential areas, dining halls, transport, vehicles, pedestrian routes. What should you do in case of sexual harassment? Hold the harasser accountable for the action. Your silence will make the harasser more strong. Do not sympathize or fall for harasser's excuses or diversionary tactics. Speak out to your parents, friends, family members or whom you are comfortable with. Report immediately or as soon as possible to superior officers, internal complaints committee or police. Who can complain in case of sexual harassment? Any aggrieved woman or their legal heir may complain in writing to the internal complaints committee within a period of 3 months. ICC can also give 3 more months relaxation. It is available to all women irrespective of employment status like student, parent, athlete, coach, visitor, intern, employee, domestic worker, etc. Internal Complaints Committee: every organization shall have internal complaints committee with a woman chairperson and an NGO representative as a member. ICC should have at least 50% members as women. It should complete the enquiry within 90 days. If sexual harassment is proved, the punishments vary according to the severity of the offence, such as for minor offences, written apology; for proved misconduct, disciplinary action by the department; for severe offences, punishments as per Indian Penal Code or Criminal Procedure Code. POSH Act also has punishments for false complaints. How to prevent sexual harassment? Have situational awareness. Resist any attempt in first time of occurrence itself. Say no clearly, boldly and loudly to any unwelcome move. Set your own boundaries. Be aware of one's own right. Keep yourself updated about the support mechanism available to protect yourself. Create witnesses by discussing or informing with others. Keep records. Sports Authority of India shows zero tolerance to sexual harassment.